All right, here's where we're going to move on. So before we continue, we're going to take some measurements, okay? So the measurements that we're going to take, we're going to not count the blood vessels up here. We're going to measure how, I guess we could call this height, how tall the heart is, the height, okay? So we're going to measure this way, and we are going to make sure you use the centimeter scale. Do not use inches, okay? Centimeters. And then we are going to measure the width. So you can see I'm going to go about midway between where I just measured and measure that across in centimeters. All right. And then what I want to do is find one of these aortic branches right here. And I want to measure in centimeters the width of that vessel. Okay. So how wide is that vessel? All right. And those are kind of the easiest ones to take a measurement for. So again, looking from the front. Okay, so I'll model it again. You're going to use the centimeter side of the ruler. Okay, and going to measure the height of the heart like this. Okay, and then you're going to measure about midway. Going to measure the width. And then you're going to tip the heart up and look at one of the aortic vessels and measure the width. Again, all of this should be in centimeters. Okay, now I'm going to set this ruler on the tray since I've used it. Okay, and it's kind of got a little juicy on it, so I don't want it to contaminate anything else. All right, then we're ready to move to the next step.